In this lesson, we'll take a look at how to count combinations of objects using visual representations to help us. Eating ice cream. The local ice cream parlor has a special offer where you can order one of 3 types of ice cream: strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla, along with one of 2 toppings, chocolate syrup or a cherry on top. And then the ice cream is served in either a bowl or a cone. Henry asked his dad if he could try a new combination of the special offer every day until he has tried them all. How many days will it take Henry to try every possible combination of the ice cream special? Let's take a closer look at Henry's choices. There were 2 containers, 3 flavors, and 2 toppings. More specifically, we had a bowl or a cone. The 3 flavors were vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, and the 2 toppings were chocolate syrup or a cherry on top. Remember that the special offer requires that Henry chooses only one type of container for his ice cream. But with each choice of container for his ice cream, he has 3 choices of flavors. Visually, we can see this represented as 3 arrows from the cone to the 3 types of ice cream flavors. So the cone can be combined with vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry. There will also be 3 choices of ice cream flavors for the bowl as well, as shown in the figure of the bowl with the 3 arrows to the 3 flavors of ice cream. Finally, Henry gets to choose a topping, and we can see that one of his choices could be to have a cone with vanilla ice cream. Then he still has 2 choices of toppings. He can go with chocolate, or he can have a cherry on top. Now, this is true for all the combinations of a container paired with a flavor of ice cream. So Henry would still get to choose a topping for each of those as well. So taking a closer look at just the choices Henry has for ice cream and a topping, if he chooses to put his ice cream in a cone, we can see that this gives us 6 possible choices for ice cream Henry can have. So Henry has 6 choices so far if he chooses the cone. We need to remember that Henry could also choose to have a bowl instead of a cone, and that gives Henry 6 more choices for the ice cream special. This gives Henry a total of 12 choices for combinations for the ice cream special. Therefore, it would take Henry 12 days to try every combination. Looking back at the visual tree diagram for Henry's choices, we can see that Henry has 12 different possible combinations for ordering the ice cream special by looking at the last column and counting the number of elements in that column. Once again, notice we have 2 containers, we have 3 flavors, and we have 2 toppings. So let's take a closer look at how we might be able to count it without having the visual objects. Once again, we have our 2 containers, our 3 flavors, and our 2 toppings. So if we multiply those together, we get 12 for each of the 12 combinations. So there's 12 combinations of ice cream specials for Henry to choose from, or 12 days of ice cream. In this lesson, we looked at how to count combinations of objects using visual representations to help us. This led us to a way to count combinations numerically.